I got stuck. I've had a day. I was trying to pull together this video where I was going to show you a quick step-by-step on how to use one of my favorite open source pieces of software called GIMP. It's what I use to make my thumbnails for these videos, and I also use it for basically all of my computer manipulation of images and art. It's fantastic. It's open source's answer to Photoshop. And I wanted to talk about that, and I wanted to talk about free software and why I appreciate it and so on and so forth. But to show me manipulating images in this software, I had to use a Windows program. But there are limits. It's fixed to only one window, so I can open it in this window, but I can't show even the drop-down menus. When I do that, in the recorded video, those screens are blank. It just shows me clicking the mouse on empty space or on something that I'm actually not clicking on. And I looked online to see if there was a workaround or if it was something I did not have toggled on, like wasn't me, right? No, it turns out it's the program. But there's no explanation why. And worse yet, online, I could not find any clear answers to say, no, you can't do this, but use this program instead. It was mysterious. Why wasn't that more easily accessible? I tried any number of search terms and strings of words, sentences, explaining what I wanted to do, knowing full well that you see this all the time. You go online and look at these online tutorials, and people use software to show every little step that they're doing on a computer screen with you. That's done somehow. Programs do that, right? So which one do I use? But I could not find it. Either way, I put it out there on Twitter, and instantly an online friend came back, Mike from Rotted Reviews. He chimed in and shared a piece of software that he uses, and it's exactly what I needed. Guess what? It's open source, free. I don't know, there's a good story in there. I should mention more about Mike. I've talked about him a few times in my blog. He does these fantastic horror movie reviews. They're introspective, thoughtful. Oftentimes he includes personal anecdotes. He really shares himself when he talks about these films. Whether you like horror or not, I definitely recommend checking out Mike at Rotted Reviews. Great guy. Thanks, Mike. All right, so my big plans for today have been foiled. So hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to share what I was planning on sharing today, which is talking about free stuff. All right, onward.